Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about Cash App Loyalty Reward Tutorial 2025. The 2025 Cash App Loyalty System is a point-based program. You earn points by doing things like making purchases with your cash card, sending money, paying bills, or using boosts. These points can be redeemed for rewards such as exclusive boosts, discounts, gift cards, or even cashback. To access your loyalty rewards dashboard, open the app, tap your profile icon, and scroll down to loyalty and rewards. There you will see your current tier, bronze, silver, gold, and platinum, your total points, and available rewards. Each tier unlocks better perks. Earning points is automatic. For example, spending $10 with your cash card earns 1 point. Using a boost, that could get you 3 points. Paying bills or subscriptions like Netflix or your phone plan can earn you 5 points. Direct deposits earn even more, up to 10 points per deposit. During holidays or special promos, you might see limited time offers that let you earn points faster. Keep an eye on notifications on the app for those. Once you have built up enough points, head back to the rewards section and tap Redeem. You will see options like $5 cashback, free boosts for a week, or discounts on certain merchants. Just tap Claim and it will apply to your account or cash card instantly. Your tile level affects your access to features, and Platinum comes with VIP support and the best perks. Each month, your level resets based on how active you were, so consistent use matters. One last tip: try linking regular expenses like subscriptions or your phone bill to your Cash App card. You'll rack up points on things you already pay for, and it makes budgeting through the app even easier. So that's how the loyalty reward system works on Cash App in 2025. So this is it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell to get notified every time a new video gets uploaded. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.